Good morning, student. Today we are going to show you the how to create a toggle button in Android. Okay. पहले हम देखते हैं कि हमको toggle button, which are the different properties provided by the Android into toggle button. Okay. So basically, uh, like other control, you can create a toggle button using uh, dynamically. You can create toggle button, or you can drag drop, or you can add toggle button in XML file and create an object using find view by id method. And you can set the off or on text off to the toggle button. After setting that button, after setting that property, you can find that what is the current status of toggle button. Means currently toggle button have off or on. Generally toggle button is used to uh, give the or show the status of the current activity. Like if you use your smartphone, then you said that your phone is in silence mode. How you can understand that your phone is on silence? Using toggle button. If the status of toggle button is off, then you can easily understand that this button or this silence mode is off, or this silence mode is on. Like this, you can use toggle button where you need that you have to show on or off functionality, or you have to show the status of the current activity is off or on. If you have to show on or off, then use toggle button. If you want to show, you want to perform the some operation on button click, then you have to use the simple button. Okay. If you have to use the hobbies, you have to take the hobbies from the customer, then you need to use checkbox button. If you want to select the only one value from uh, 3 to 4 values, then you have to use the radio button. Means what? You are selecting the gender from customer form, then you use radio button. If you want to get the hobbies from customer, then you have to use checkbox. If you have only two value, means true or false. Okay. Then use toggle button. Okay. uh, we are Now we are see the example of toggle button. Firstly, create a simple program with empty activity. Give any name to your program. Like we are giving toggle toggle button demo. Okay. All other properties, that package name, you can give any package name. Save location, the language you are using, like Kotlin or Java. Here we select Java. Minimum API level, from which API level your program should be run on Android operating system. Minimum API level, here we select 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich. Okay. uh, Click on finish button. Okay. Like this. Now on the screen, one similar type of the screen, simulator type of the screen will be show. Okay. This show that build is successful. If you have you are creating the first program and you don't have an internet connection, that time this message may be that the build is failed. Okay, don't worry for that. Please connect internet connection, and after that interconnection, and click on this sync project with Gradle file. Click on that, your program should be successfully built if you don't have any dependency problem. Okay, अगर आपके इस पे कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो फिर से फील्ड ही दिखाएगा. अगर आपको प्रोग्राम करते टाइम ही इंटरनेट नहीं है, आपका प्रोग्राम क्रिएट हो रहा है लेकिन फिर भी एरर आ गए हैं, तो यू कैन यूज द सिंक project with Gradle files option that will sync your required files with Gradle, and it successfully sync with Gradle. Okay, we will use now. Please, first step to create a program is that please change app theme. Means you can visualize your control easily. So first change your theme light. Okay, second step is change the layout of your program. Means we are using the linear layout. Okay, linear layout here. Other property you can change as per your requirement. If you don't want to change any property, put it as it is. Okay, here only one thing control is used now, text view. We will use this control to show the status of toggle button. Okay, so put this control as it is. Use one more control, that is a toggle button on the screen. Where is the toggle button? On tool palette, select third option, button, toggle button. Drag and drop that toggle button on your screen. See, your control will be aligned to one position. Okay, you can use this control like that. If you this layout is by default in horizontal orientation. If you want to change the orientation of your linear layout, then go to the text, means the coding part. Change here the how to change your orientation of linear program. See, Android orientation. Okay, here two where orientation is provided in Android for linear layout. One is vertical, one second is horizontal. We are using vertical here. Okay, see, your program, your control is automatically adjust as per your as per your layout. Okay, if you want to delete that and put the button on that, check that button, toggle button, use that toggle button. Okay, see, initially that a toggle button value should is showing off. You can change this value using text on, text off. Means you want to show another value to text off, then that value will be displayed on that. Okay, by default that is off. If text off is, if switch toggle button off. Okay, toggle button on. Okay, as per this, as like this, you can use the toggle button text. You can show that the which text you want to show on the toggle button. Okay, using this property text off, text on, you can change the toggle button properties. Okay. Here the toggle button text, put it as it is. You can change the ID of your program. Using this ID, you can use any control in a program, mean in activity. Okay. 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 See, here is a toggle button off. See what is the XML code for toggle button. Toggle button first is a property ID. Okay, it is the attribute of toggle button. Using this, using this property, this attribute, you can use this control in whole program using this ID. If you want to change your attribute of ID, you can change. Okay, toggle button 1. Okay, you can use this 1 or 2 as it is, as per your requirement. You can give your name. This is the Android layout width. As like match parent, what is the purpose of this match parent? This control should be matched with the parent control. What is the parent of this toggle button? The screen. This theme is, this view is a parent of this toggle button. Why? Because we are using the linear layout on this screen, and linear layout is a parent of this toggle button. This second is layout height, wrap content. What is meaning of this wrap content? Wrap content is if you want to change your height of your program as per the entered value, means जितना उसका कंटेंट है कंट्रोल पे, उसके साइज से आपको अगर उसकी विड्थ और हाइट बढ़ानी है तो यू कैन राइट दैट wrap content. If you want to take a fixed size to that control, you can use match parent, or you can provide a numeric value to that control. Means you want to set 40 size, 40 height to the control, you can set that. But general practice is you can use wrap content for height. Okay, and for text you use layout width and height as a wrap content. Okay, don't use that wrap content width for text view is a match parent. क्योंकि वो कंटेंट कैसा है, आप जितना टेक्स्ट वहां पे एंटर कर रहे हो उतना टेक्स्ट वन टाइम विजिबल होना चाहिए। इसके इसके लिए आप उसका क्या कर, आपको उसको विड्थ पे क्या वैल्यू देनी होगी? रैप कंटेंट। अगर आप उसको रैप कंटेंट दोगे तो एज पर द कंटेंट इट विल बी रैप्ड। ओके, मींस क्या, व्हाट इज रैप? वो कंटेंट उस कंटेंट के साइज के हिसाब से आपका कंट्रोल उसकी साइज बढ़ा देगा। Okay, that is the wrap content. What is the text of your toggle button? Toggle button. Okay, these are the true properties, text off and text on. Using means what? आपका अगर toggle button off है तो उस पे text कौन सा show होना चाहिए? This is the text off. आपका toggle button अगर on है तो उस पे text क्या show होना चाहिए? मीन्स आपका प्रोग्राम, अगर आपका मोबाइल अगर साइलेंस कर दिया, आपने साइलेंट कर दिया, ओके, तो क्या होगा? वो टॉगल बटन ऑफ हो जाएगा। लेकिन ऑफ के टाइम पे वहां पे अगर आपको शो करना है कि करंटली योर फोन इज साइलेंट, इन ऑन साइलेंट मोड, ओके, देन दैट टेक्स्ट शुड बी शो इफ यू साइलेंट योर मोबाइल। अगर आपका मोबाइल साइलेंट मोड से आपने हटा दिया, आपका साइलेंट मोड आपने मोबाइल से हटा दिया, तो आपके वो बटन पे क्या शो होना चाहिए? योर प्रोग्राम इज ऑन, इज करंटली नोट इज ऑन रिंगिंग मोड। ओके, मींस अभी साइलेंट नहीं है। ये आप एक टॉगल बटन से यूज कर सकते हो। अभी देखते हैं, हमने ये बटन लिया, आपका प्रोग्राम शो होने के टाइम पे कैसा शो हो रहा है। हम इस अभी इमुलेटर सिमुलेटर पे देखते हैं हाउ यू कैन run your program using run menu, run app. You can run Android program. Okay, this will ask you to select either your phone if you connected it using USB, or use the emulator which is created available in virtual devices. Okay, Nexus 4 API. I have created one AVD, Android virtual devices, for simulator. Okay, Nexus 4 API 25 is a API level for selected for that AVD. Okay, okay. 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 Um, See, this option is shown when you are running your program, and that the this one by one step will be shown, that will show that your program execution is started. This build successful. This is showing actual your program. Okay, come online. Okay, waiting the target device to come online. Okay. So that what is the this message is showing that your device means this emulator is comes online means. Okay. Okay, see, uh, emulator, if you have a quick heal installed on your machine, please off before starting emulator. Okay. 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 See, run your program again. Okay. I think some problem is occurred. Create one program, empty activity, toggle button test, toggle button test. Okay. See, similar type of devices, static device will be shown using on that emulator. You can drag or drop your control. We have used one toggle button, drag drop that toggle button on the screen. Light. Okay. uh, See, change your layout. Okay, orientation of your layout, Android orientation, vertical. Okay. Drag toggle button. Okay, run your program. Okay, sure. See, on, off. Show that the on, some sound will be heard. So on off means this program change the state. Okay, if you have to change the size, change the text of your toggle button, you can change button off, button on. Okay. If you run this program using apply changes, this will show the text on or off, button on, button on, button on, button on. If you want to show the status of your button on the text view, how you can do that? Go, this is the toggle button ID. Okay. Main activity, how to create object of toggle button TB equal to find view by id r dot id dot toggle button. Okay. See, TB dot, okay, create the object of text view so that you can show the status of toggle button on text view. Okay. R dot id dot toggle button. Okay. If this red will be show, click on that text view and use alter enter. Okay. This will ask you import class. Yes, import class. This will automatically add the text view package to your program. Okay. Now set, if you have to show the message on toggle button on off, then you have to attach the action listener to the toggle button. How you can attach action listener to TB button? TB dot set on check change listener. Okay. Using this method, you can show the change status of your toggle button. Okay. See, okay, compound button. Okay. See, check. If you have to show that the which Android button is clicked, then you can change your you can set the text to, okay, text view set text. If compound button dot is checked, अगर check है, okay, so you can show that the toggle button is clicked, toggle button is on. Okay. Else text view dot set text toggle button is off. See what will show after adding this code to your program. Run or apply changes. If apply changes option is not show on your screen, use run app. Okay. See launching activity. See button off. Sorry, sir. We have used this. We have to use text view for this. Okay. All right. Sorry, we haven't given any ID to text box view. Give that Android ID. Okay, ID text view. Okay, this will show now. This will show the message to that control. Okay, so click. See, toggle button is on. See, button is off, toggle button is off. Like that, you can show the status of your control. The better way to show the current status to your text view rather than use a toast. Okay, toast. See, second state toast make text. Okay, you can use string str message. Okay, see, use this message or use same that the toggle button is off to the toast. Toast, what is the toast? It will show the message to the user or notify user for some millisecond. That will automatically okay, that will automatically hide after display for several seconds. Okay, see, now run. Okay, see, toggle button is on, it will automatically hide. Okay, see, toggle button is off. For if you want to show this for toast for long period, then here is a length wrong. Okay, means if you show, see, this will show for extra second than length short. Okay, if in length, if length if length short is used, this will show for only 2 or 3 seconds. If you use length if you use this length long, it will show more than 3 or 4 seconds. Okay, like this you can use a toggle button. Okay, I will explain what is the code. Toggle button, here find view by id will create the button object of toggle button. Okay, how you can get that? r.id.toggle button, we use this id in xml code. Okay, this is okay. Second, we create the text view object, find view by id, text view the id of text view. This two id object is created. After that, we have attached the action listener to the toggle button. Which action listener? Change listener, means check change listener, means the state of the toggle button is changed. This function or this listener will be listen for the action and perform the changes which is added on the on check listener on check change method. ओके, इसमें आपने जो भी कोड लिखा होगा वो आप परफॉर्म करेगा. इसमें क्या किया? ऑन चेक चेंज कंपाउंड बटन. ये एक्चुअली कंपाउंड बटन में आता है टॉगल बटन. ओके, यहाँ पे हम इससे भी स्टेटस हमको पता चलता है, लेकिन हमने क्या किया? कंपाउंड बटन इज चेक ऑन है क्या? हाँ, ऑन है तो टेक्स्ट व्यू पे मैसेज शो कर दिया टॉगल बटन इज ऑन. ऑन है तो मैसेज पे एक टेक्स्ट सेट किया और टेक्स्ट को हमने टोस्ट को सेट कर दिया. ओके, हियर टेक्स्ट व्यू अगर ऑफ है तो हमने ऑफ वाला टेक्स्ट सेट किया टेक्स्ट व्यू को, और एक मैसेज को भी ऑफ वाला टेक्स्ट सेट किया, और वो मैसेज जो हमने स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू ली है वो स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू को हमने इसको सेट कर दिया. The make text toast.make text means make text is a static method of toast class. उसमें फर्स्ट पैरामीटर वो क्या ले रहा है? वो ले रहा है the content means जो एक्टिविटी से वो शो करना है, जिस स्क्रीन से उसको शो करना है उसको वो ऑब्जेक्ट लेता लेता है। यहाँ पे हमने ए एक्टिविटी का दिस पॉइंटर लिया है। दिस पॉइंटर विल ऑलवेज रिटर्न द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ करंट क्लास। ओके, यहाँ पे मेन एक्टिविटी का ऑब्जेक्ट लिया मैंने। यहाँ पे जो टेक्स्ट शो करना है आप वो टेक्स्ट शो कर दो, इसको मत निकालो। ये अगर आप निकाल दोगे तो वो एरर देता है। ओके, टेक्स्ट इक्वल टू str मैसेज। तो आपको वो मैसेज लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए शो करना है या शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए शो करना है, ये दो, और उसको हमने शो कर दिया। ओके, दिस इज द टेक्स्ट। और XML में हमने कोडिंग कैसे किया, ऐसे कोडिंग किया। दो टेक्स्ट लिए हैं, पहले लिनियर लेआउट लिया, उसका ओरिएंटेशन वर्टिकल किया, उसके बाद में टेक्स्ट व्यू लिया। टेक्स्ट व्यू का हमने टेक्स्ट चेंज किया है बटन क्लिक पे। अभी हमने बटन पे ये टेक्स्ट ऑफ और टेक्स्ट ऑन, इसकी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज की थी। पहले इसको सिर्फ ऑफ और ऑन था, हमने सिर्फ यहाँ पे बटन ऐसा शो कर दिया है। ओके, ये प्रोग्राम आप करके देखो, प्रॉपर्टीज आप ये ट्राई करके देखो। ओके, ठीक है।